How to trim sounds on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to trim sounds in the TikTok app, the process is same whether you're using an iPhone or Android devices. So just go ahead and open your TikTok application. Once you open the TikTok, log into your account and make sure that the TikTok application is also up to date. Now go ahead and start creating a new video or simply select a video from your gallery. Tap on next in the bottom, and here from this page tap on add sound at the top of the screen, or if it's already added, it's good. Now once you select the sound that you want to use, when the song starts playing, tap on the scissor icon to open the trimming tool, which is beside the song name. Now swipe through the song to select the 15-second portion that you want to use it in your video. Go back to TikTok camera, and the song name will appear at the top, and start recording your TikTok, and the selected sound will play in the background. So now you can share your TikTok. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.